Okay, today we're going to make Tau Huay. Okay, to make Tau Huay, first you must make the Tau Huay tree. One Tau Huay tree. Okay, I just need 1 cup of soybean. I soak it for about an hour now. Okay, next we need Agar Agar powder. Okay, this one we're going to use probably about 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so we're going to use this Joyang to make the soy milk. Okay, put the soybean into the fill with water. Okay, until the marking 1008 ml. In the cover, so simple. Okay, connect cable. Power. Okay, just have to select and stop. So simple. Okay, let it cook. Okay, boiling. Okay, crushing now, crushing the bean now. Okay, after probably about 10 minutes it's done. Okay. Machine calling for me now. See, steaming. Hot. Okay, sieve the Tau Huay. Okay, tablespoon. Okay, 3/4 teaspoon. Okay, I'm using green color. Okay, bring it to boil. Dissolve it. All the lump is gone. Okay, keep stirring until it boils. See it boiling, about 87 degrees Celsius. It's boiling. Okay, let the thing set. Okay, so 1 cup of soybean probably can produce 3 bowls. 3 bowls of this, 3 bowls.